Legal drafting is a complex puzzle, and at Clausebase, we've developed different kinds of legal drafting technology that assist with solving for different pieces of that puzzle. Probably the most impactful piece of the puzzle is still document automation for generating a first draft of a document. But many legal teams don't really have the time or the budget to make the investment in document automation make sense for them. Fortunately, those teams can still turn to a more light version of document automation, one that we've dubbed skeleton automation. And with ClauseBuddy's newest AI-assisted automation, that is easier than ever to set up. So let's say that we've just drafted this document for a client of ours, and we want to basically use this as a standard going forward. What we can do is we can indicate to the AI to prepare the document for automation, and then it'll just highlight all of the different placeholders for us. We can then also upload it to the tool, immediately add the questions from the document to our questionnaire. You can see that the AI automatically identifies all of the questions, and then we can let the AI categorize each question so that it's a more clean overview of all of the different questions that need to be asked. And that's basically it. We've now automated a document, admittedly with just a few placeholders, but that's the idea behind skeleton automation, to just have this basic starting place to start drafting a document from, and then adding new clauses or adding different nuances to the existing clauses later on. You can see here, if I just fill out with some random nonsense some of these questions, immediately all of those answers pop up in the document. If we then generate a docx file out of this, we still have that option to add additional nuance or additional clarifications through some of the other pieces of the puzzle in ClauseBuddy, like, for example, clause extraction from our precedent database. So we could say, we actually also need a liability clause here, and let's maybe go for a fairly succinct clause. We could go with this one, but of course the terminology doesn't fit here, so we'll then just say, okay, you know what, let's first of all make this clause neutral, and then let's automatically adapt the terminology to fit the document that we're currently drafting, and that's it. So we'll then create a little bit of space here and immediately insert the document. And that's just one example of how that skeleton automation can help in just getting a first draft, a very rough draft admittedly, in place, augmented by some of the other modules like clause extraction. If you're interested in learning more about what some of the different other pieces in the puzzle are, we've just completed our contract drafting tech guide, which you can find in the link in the description.